Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will tell you how to make a passive income into the crypto market by just having and holding your tokens. So let's begin the video, but before that, if you're new here and if you just wanted to get the quality information about the crypto market, just hit on the subscribe button so that you can get the quality information, quality videos to your YouTube feed. Let's begin the video. So the concept is called as liquidity providing, which is called LP token. So if you see, I just added, this is my portfolio and I have added around $230 or $220 into this liquidity pool, and I'm getting the fees out of the pool. So right now my range is actually out of the range and I have to balance this, but still let's try to understand how this works. And if you see, my pending yield is $5. So basically I have around $5.5 to claim from this liquidity pool to which I have provided the liquidity. So this is token called as SPCX USDC. So this is basically a token of the SpaceX, and I personally believe this token has a lot of volume into this range for the next 2-3 weeks or maybe 1 week. Then I will be adding the liquidity so that I can farm the fees. So let's understand and break it down, this whole concept. So what is actually liquidity pools? So basically the pools, whenever you trade on the exchanges like Jupiter, Orca, Radium, so there is a fees that goes to the liquidity providers. So we have never thought about what is liquidity providers. So we are now becoming the liquidity provider. So whenever there is an exchange, then whenever there is a trade happens into that pool and into that range, I will be getting that share of the fees. So how this works, let's go to the pool section. And if you see, so by the way, this platform is known as orca.so, orca.so. You can also provide the liquidity on Radium as well and different exchanges. So I am just taking the example of Solana, at which I usually do this method. So these are the pools which are listed here, and you can see so many pools are here, and you have to choose the tokens, choose the pool, I believe, in which you are kind of confident and which the market will be doing into that range. For example, this is the SPX USDC token, and if you see in the 24 hours, this token has given the fees of around $15,000. And if you see yield versus TVL, that means if you provide something into the liquidity pool, how much that pool is giving the yield, which is 0.66 in 24 hours. And if I talk about the not 24 hours, let's make it 30 days. So it is giving 2% of the yield per month, because this token is very new. And if you see, ZDC pool is giving you 13% of yield. Hyped and Soul pool is giving 6% of yield. So these are something, if you are holding those tokens, then you can actually make the yield out of it. So which token I usually provide the yield to? The tokens which are actually I am bullish for the long term. So especially the Hype, Solana and SPX. So what I do is I add the liquidity into the pool, into the range, so that if price comes into that range, then I will be getting the fees. For example, I have to choose, suppose this is the SPX pool. That shows that it has given $3,000 of fees and 5% of yield every month. Let's go to the SPX 1600, and this is the chart which shows that how much liquidity you want to provide into which range. So if you see, SPX did not went away from 0.25, and we have upper range around 0.6. So if I provide the liquidity into the range of 0.5, so whenever the price will be in this range, and if trade happens, we will get the fees. So right now if you see, let's make it 24 hours and the price action 0.25 to 0.6. Now you could see my bottom range is this and my upper range is 0.6, these yellow lines. So whenever the price will be in these range, so suppose if I provided the liquidity from this range into the maybe January, then till now I will be into the range and I will be making money, because this is what fundamentally says about the LP providing. So I have choose the price action from 0.25 to 0.6, and suppose I have 500 USDC to provide into these pool, and let's make it auto swap. Auto swap means I will be only providing USDC of 500 worth you should auto swap SPX or whatever, that is the whole pool choice. You would see 181 USDC is being traded into 410 SPX to balance the pool, and then this will liquidity go into this SPX pool. Interesting. And if you see, if I just provide $500 of the liquidity into this SPX pool into this range from 0.25 to 0.6, then I will be making $15 every day. This is kind of a hidden secret that very few people know into the crypto. Only the smart people who know it, they do it. $15 per day, and if I multiply with the 30, which is $450 a month. So literally, by providing the $500 of liquidity into this pool, you can actually make $500 a month fees from SPX only. This is a kind of magic which is hidden into the crypto market then that nobody actually talks about. Everyone is shilling the tokens, everyone is talking about the Bitcoin and everything. These are the long-term thing which you have to see, and you can actually take the leverage of these things and to make money sustainability ke saath. That's a very important thing. So you can actually make $15 per day by providing into this range. And if I reduce this, and suppose I believe the price of the SPX is 0.44 and I want to provide the liquidity between only 0.35 to 0.6, now you can make $34 every day. It's $1,000 around a month. This is crazy amount you can make. So this is what something is called as LP, concentrated liquidity pools, in which you provide the liquidity. That's all about the video. That's all about the whole concept, how to make the passive income just by having your tokens into your hands and just providing the liquidity in the market. If you play this smartly, you can literally make a lot of money just by patience, just by peace and everything. So see you into the next video. Just before that, I just tell you, how is this video? Let me know into the comment section so that I can get the constant feedback, so that I can improve my content, so that I can create the quality content for you guys. So let me know into the comment section and see you into the next video. Thank you.